Guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 49 Cutler Street, Unit 1, and this is a 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom for rent in Worcester, Mass. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through here. So that's the front entrance. Well, it's the front entrance to the hallway that comes in, and then this is the main living room. There's a dining room over there through that arch, but over here to the right is the first bedroom. So like I said, there's 4. They're all pretty evenly sized. This one's pretty big just because of the way it's laid out. It's the front. And you also get a lot of light coming in this room. Vinyl floors here and throughout. And I'm just going to kind of go around to the sides of all the rooms just so you can get an idea of the dimensions and what kind of furniture and stuff you could expect to put. I would say most of the bedrooms could fit a queen-size bed and a desk and a dresser pretty comfortably. So this is the living room. As we walk around, you'll see the vents for the forced air heating. And the ceiling tiles are in pretty good shape. None of them are broken or damaged or anything. This is bedroom number 2. And it is nice out here. It's a pretty quiet neighborhood. Let me see. So this is the dining room. So you can see the hardwood floors continue. Sorry, not the hardwood. The vinyl floors continuing. You got the bathroom on the left, and then bedroom number 3, bedroom number 4 in the corner, and the galley kitchen. So I'm just gonna go back around. This one has the fridge here too. This is bedroom number 3. Go check out the bathroom. And this whole place has been almost fully renovated. A lot of the finishing and the fixtures that are in here are new. And if they're not new, they've definitely been cleaned to be in good condition. Like this shower. And then you get that with the medicine cabinet right there. Now we'll take a look at this galley kitchen here. So you probably have seen a kitchen like this. It's just straight down the alley of cabinets, and it's got the granite style countertops, which is really nice. So that could be a different kind of rock, but it's granite style. And then this is the 4th bedroom. This one has some build-ins with the shelves up there too. And then the back entrance goes out to the back porch, but that one's not ready. They're still getting it fixed up, but it's the apartment that's going up now. If you want to take a look at all of our vacancies, you can go to www.nexuswor.com. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester at 49 Cutler Street, Unit 1.